because the boat is
Where is
very
the
Ito ako sila.
Yan ang trabaho na kuan dito. Saudi.
You can just go with our advisor, then ask what's the report. All would come Faramil boys, Ramavi boys, just take go. With the advisor, Muhammad Hadi, Turi.
Invoice? Invoice?
You can, yes, you need to talk to with him. Boys, wala mafi boys.
Dito lang guys, punta daw ako doon sa taas.